Still very happy with my KitchenAid dishwasher. I have a video up about it that I'll show you. But I did have some problems with it. Do you know what these are? Are you seeing these on the floor or the door of your dishwasher? If you are, you're probably going to have the same trouble I had. If you're finding these from your KitchenAid dishwasher, you're probably going to have to fix the wheels. Let me show you what I did. I've been finding these little things on the floor this week. I had the new pump put in last week, and I knew what these were. They're the little things that go in the wheels because one had fallen out before and I had to fix it. I'll show you that in a moment. So tonight when I opened the dishwasher, 3 wheels literally fell off. Ta-da. And then another one of these fell out, and I think there's another wheel missing on the other side. So I'm going to have to fix these, and I'm going to show you how I repaired it. It's unorthodox, but you can see that I just took wrappers from bread ties that I saved because you never know when they're going to come in handy, and I looped them through the hole and just tied them up like this. And that's been several months ago, and so far it's worked. It's kind of crazy, but it's worked. So I'm missing a wheel there, and I see it on the floor right over here. And I'm missing a wheel there, so I'll have to look in the dishwasher and see if I can find it. There's my 4 missing wheels and the 4 missing little plugs that come out of them. I save these things because you never know when they come in handy, and I'm actually not going to have enough to fix these because I need to put 2 on each wheel. Gonna straighten a couple of these out so I can thread them through. Put the wheel on, loop it through, and just twist it. And try to scoot that back up inside. That was easy enough. I like easy. I think I'm gonna have to put 2 on each wheel, so I don't know, maybe I can put what I have on here and see how it goes for right now. Try it. If you don't want the wheels rolling over the zip ties, then loop it through the top like I did on the first one that I had already shown you instead of on the side of the wheel. You could use zip ties on these as well. Now for this one, I've actually got to take the rack off so I can get back here. This one's kind of long and skinny. You may put this one through twice. Put the rack back in. And it isn't pretty, but it works. Look, there's another one that I didn't even see. So now I have 5 of these little things. Guess I can play jacks with them.